The English word language derived from the Latin word lingua. Language is a means of communication and social control. English is taught as a second language in India. English is a foreign language for Indians. English has become a global language. Correct English speech includes correct pronunciation skill, proper stress skill, and correct intonation skill, character speed of speech skill. Alphabetic method of teaching reading also known as spelling method or ABC method. Pictures are helpful in highlighting learning dash interest. Important materials of teaching reading has backboard and flashcard pictures and games actions. The teaching of English mother tongue is the basis of all work. This is given by Ribon. Main cause of downfall of the standards of English in curriculum: overcrowded in the classes, drastical curtailments of the English period, pupils from no tradition of learning. Latin word lingua means dash tongue. The linguistic aim of teaching English related to which domain? Cognitive domain. Mother tongue as English is taught by direct method. The proper order of learning a language is listening and understanding, speaking, reading, and writing. LSRW. A method of teaching involves the dash maxims of teaching techniques of teaching. The listening is the function of dash audio sense. The technique of speaking skill, role play method, oral composition, reproduction. One of the following is not a kind of reading: loud reading, silent reading, descriptive reading, supplementary reading. Answer is descriptive reading. One of the following is not a method of teaching reading: symbolic reading, phonic method, grammar method, phrase method. C. Grammar method. The playway method is used in teaching dash spellings, writing skill, vocabulary, all of the above. Answer is spelling. Grammar is the content of English literature, language, both A and B language. Theoretical grammar is also known as dash formal grammar. Teaching of prose includes dash essay, story, biography. Communication is called dash exchange of feelings and ideas. Where does a child learn standard form of language? At school. The role of teaching grammar at a junior stage is first language, then grammar.